Hello friends, hope you are alright. Today's video I show you how to use same WhatsApp, Android phone and PC and laptop. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I go to my PC. Okay, I go to the PC and it is search bar. I search in a WhatsApp web for PC. WhatsApp web for PC. Okay, then you click the first link. Okay, here then appear this one. So this barcode is appeared here. Okay, so how can you link it in your Android phone WhatsApp web? Okay, so then I go through again my WhatsApp, then three dot line, you click on three dot line. After that, here is the link device, you click on link device. Okay, link a device, you click on here. Okay, then unlock your link and now barcode scanner is appear. You see barcode start, scanning start. It takes a few seconds. Okay, I hope it's working at this moment. My PC, I show you now. You see, yes, there is a link, and you give the this link. You have to give some name. Okay, so for example, Rana PC1, Rana PC1. I give the link Rana PC1, then save it. Okay, so this PC is link. Okay, if you want to remove this one, click on here. After that three dot line and remove the device. Okay, so you can see what kind of how many PC is linked in your Android device. So after that I show you now. Yes, my web WhatsApp is working at this moment. I hope you can do it yourself, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.